Hello and welcome back to Budgets and Beyond. We're thrilled you've joined us again. Today we're embarking on a thrilling journey, an exploration into the captivating realm of real estate investing. This is an area teeming with potential for savvy investors, a world where fortune could be built from the ground up. We understand that the idea of investing in property seems daunting to many people. The intricate web of decisions, the risks, the rewards, it's all a lot to take in. That's where we come in. Our goal is to demystify this process and guide you through every step. Whether you're a novice, having just a passing interest, or a seasoned investor looking for new insights, this video promises to be an enriching experience. If you've ever thought about investing in property but didn't know where to start, this video is for you. Real estate investing involves purchasing property to generate income or capital gains. Essentially, investors acquire physical land or properties with to make a profit. This endeavor could yield returns through rental income, appreciation over time, or direct resale. The investment can result in a cash flow, providing a stable source of revenue, while also promising long-term appreciation, which may increase the property's value in future. Additionally, it offers diversification benefits, providing a shield against the volatility of traditional stock and bond investments. It's a popular investment choice due to its potential for steady cash flow, long-term appreciation, and diversification from traditional stock and bond investments. There are several ways to invest in real estate. Prominently, residential properties include single-family homes, townhouses, and apartments. They are favorable for beginners as they provide rental income and property management experience. Commercial real estate with office buildings and retail spaces calls for a higher investment but carries lucrative returns via rent and appreciation. Industrial real estate comprises warehouses and manufacturing facilities, which guarantee a steady income stream when leased to established businesses. Lastly, special purpose real estate is a unique category encompassing hotels, resorts, schools, and hospitals. They present exceptional opportunities, but come with distinct challenges. From single-family homes to office buildings and warehouses, each type offers unique opportunities and challenges. Real estate can offer great benefits like rental income, tax advantages, and value appreciation. This includes monthly rent collection, lowering taxable income, and appreciating property value. Sounds enticing, right? But let's remember the other side. Real estate investing isn't risk-free. It challenges you with market fluctuations, hefty initial costs, and the need for continuous management and maintenance. However, it also comes with risks. These include market fluctuations, high upfront costs, and the need for ongoing management and maintenance. Getting started in real estate investing requires research and planning. Start by defining your objectives. Are you seeking passive income, long-term growth, or a quick flip? After this, delve deeply into understanding the property market. Familiarize yourself with diverse financing methods and appreciate the subtleties of managing properties. This journey demands clear goals and comprehensive knowledge about the real estate market, different financial options, property management. Start by setting clear goals and educating yourself on the real estate market, financing options, and property management. Financing is a crucial aspect of real estate investing. Mortgages often serve as the primary source of funding for many investors. Understanding intricacies of different mortgage types, their interest rates, and prerequisites is key. However, it doesn't end there. Real estate investment entails more than just acquiring a property. It involves a range of other expenses, including property taxes, insurance charges, and maintenance costs. These additional expenses are equally significant and demand thorough consideration. So apart from mortgages, remember to account for property taxes, insurance, and repairs. Real estate isn't a solo venture. It's about building a powerhouse professionals, your own personal Avengers. This includes agents for market insights, attorneys for legal advice, accountants for financial strategies, and property managers for daily logistics. Each member, with their unique skills, contributes to the overall success. This team can provide the expertise to help you navigate the complexities of real estate investing. And that's a wrap on real estate investing for beginners. This journey is your first step into the vast world of real estate, where opportunities abound, but so do challenges. The key to overcoming these challenges lies in consistent patience, comprehensive research, and strategic decision-making. Treat these elements as your guideposts as you navigate the complex landscape of property investment. As beginners, learning and adapting should be your motto. With time, experience, and a dash of courage, you'll find that success is within your reach. For more thorough insights into property investment strategies and expert advice, keep following Budgets and Beyond. Happy investing!